Hi, welcome to my channel Equity Pulse. This is Manjunath Shivappa. Please join my Telegram channel. In that, I will be providing intraday calls in live market with proper entry, exit, and stop loss. Now I am going to analyze the market Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it was performed last Friday and how it going to perform tomorrow, Monday. First, let's check with the Nifty and daily time frame. After continuous 4 days fallen, Friday Nifty given some clue of reversal. It has made a hammer pattern at the support level 15,630, which is the off of the big candle. It will act as a support. And Monday, if price close with the positive, then that is the confirmation for the uptrend. Otherwise, if it is show any doji or negative candle, surely it will fall down. Then we'll check with the 15 minutes time frame. Nifty opened with a gap up and immediate short selling happened, and it came down and took a support as the 15,630 level and made a powerful pattern hanging man at the support level, and it moved up to 15,730 level, which is act as a resistance at present, because so many times price is rejected from that level. Previously it was support and now it became a resistance for the current market. It is already tested 2 times and also closed near that resistance level. If Nifty open with gap up, then price will again test this level 15,730 level and it will move further upside. If Nifty open with flat or gap down, then definitely it will test this level, resistance level, and it will fall further down. The buying opportunity will come for Nifty only after cross the 15,730 level, and the next resistance are 15,800 and 15,840, and next is 15,920, which are the main resistance for Nifty in coming days. If it is further move upside, then those are the resistance levels. For selling opportunity will come only if crosses the 15,660 level, then it will move to the, then next support is 15,630 and next is 15,580 level, and next support we can see at 15,500. Now we'll check with the Bank Nifty with the daily time frame. After continuous 4 days fallen, Friday Bank Nifty closed with positive and made a neutral candle at the trend line support area. Monday we can expect it will go further upside. In daily time frame, it's creating symmetrical triangle pattern. We can expect 35,500 level in coming sessions. Let's check with the 15 minutes time frame. It's open with flat and it took a support of 34,630 level and it moved up further upside, and it went near the 34,900 level, which will be the resistance level. If Bank Nifty open with gap up around 150-160 points, then it will take support as 34,900 level and it will move further upside. The next resistance levels are 35,000, 35,120 and 35,220. Bank open with a flat, then Monday it will be range bound in 34,630 to 34,900. If open with gap down, then selling opportunity will come below 34,700, and the next targets are 34,630, 34,520, next 34,400. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks.